Someone recently asked me a very good question on one of my YouTube videos. She asked if the color of the dress on this image here could be changed to red. Well, let's look this over. So the answer is yes, technically. So let's go through this. Here you can see that I've changed the color. And here is the design that I made when I was doing the video. So let's go to this one first. Let's go to edit here. And then if you go here to where it says adjust, and then scroll down to color here, and you can see the green there. If we want to change the color, you can slide this around to get it to the color that's the closest to what you're looking for. And then, of course, you can use higher saturation levels here. You might not get the exact color you're looking for, but these settings will help a lot. So I'm going to go back here, turn that back to the green. So that is how you do that. And so let's go up here to this one. And so the same thing, I'll start over here. So we want to make sure that we have our image, that we're clicked on our image here. Then you're going to go to edit. Now remember, I have Canva Pro. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I know it does for like the background remover, magic eraser and those. So let's go under adjust here. And again, we're going to scroll down here and we're going to click on the green. And then you can go to find the area of the color that you're looking for, and you can get all kinds of different colors here. So I'm going to go down into this reddish area, and then again, saturation level up, and then brightness. You can change it here. Go a little bit more. Oh, that kind of looks pretty red there. So that is how you can change the color. So let's go into the tan here, and we can change the color here too. Not that we want to, but you could do that as well. So, and then here again, changing the color as best as we can. It's not going to be, exactly what you're looking for, but it could get it pretty close there. So let's go see if you can get her gray, but so anyway, that is how you can change the color. So now let's add another page here. And I am going to use some of these women here. I searched woman in dress. And so I'm going to add this image in here. And as you can see, it came up with some color choices here. So let's pick this green color and we will change that to red. So let's go back to our elements again, and let's pick this woman's dress, and let's set it right here. And you can see that it came in with these choices. And so let's pick that blue and we'll turn that dress red. So this is how you can change colors of images in Canva. Not all images that elements that come in from Canva you can change the color on, but quite a few you can. So this was just a short tutorial to show you how you can change colors of PNGs and images in Canva.
Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and see links below.